Hey guys, so I got a exhaust tip for Little Red because I don't really have one. So yeah, I'm gonna put it on and we'll go from there. Look at the snow back there. Ooh. Okay, so I'm gonna set the phone right here for right now. Ooh. That's a shame. Starting back the truck right now. It's really cold out here. Really cold. This doesn't want to peel off. There we go. Alright, this is the new exhaust stem or exhaust tip, whatever it's called. I can't think of what it's called. Nice and shiny. And this is gonna be going. Oh, flat tire. Anyways, ooh, I need to be work done. Doesn't look like it's leaking, but yeah, this is underneath the Little Red. See, like the bed is very nice. All the stuff's rusty, but that looks nice. Ignore all that rust. It's not too bad. Huh. But anyways, yeah, gonna be a pain in the butt. It's okay though. Let's see. I think you can see me. So it's kind of tied up, but it's okay. I'm just gonna leave whatever that crud is on there. Maybe not. Ugh. Okay. Let's see here. This is not a tutorial on how to do this at all. I'm just... Oh. I'm missing pieces. Oh well. Oh, might not be able to put this on. So I can get all that crud off. Hold on. I'm struggling because there's like stuff on there for like old welds and stuff. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm trying to just kind of like wiggle it on, kind of, but you know. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so I kind of had to finesse it on there, and I've been tightening it. It's tight. Still, I should have gotten a extender or an extra piece of pipe and stuff, but it's okay. It doesn't have to be perfect. Oh. So I'm tightening it, and there we go. It should be good. Ugh. Let me fire it up. pull the end off, put an extender on there, make it longer, come out towards the back more, a little bit. Or I might have to come out the side. But for now, that's good. You can see where it's leaking. Pull it out there. I really like that. Oh, I really, yeah. I'm gonna have to work on that, but for now, that's pretty good. I like that. I'll have more updates on this eventually. I didn't have enough money. I had literally a $20 bill left in my wallet. I went to the store. That was $14.99. Paid $16 for it after tax. Come on here. It was at AutoZone. I mean, it was pretty good.